Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Hi guys, in my today's video I'm going to do the review of this Dell Inspiron 15 laptop, and let me tell you what are the components, how many ports are there in this laptop. So I'm your friend Manish and watching Technical Charges, so let's get started with the video. So hi guys, this is the second laptop which I'm going to review. The first one is the Dell Latitude 5480. I hope you like that video as well. So in this video I'm going to talk about the Dell Inspiron 15 laptop. So this is the laptop look from the above, and beneath this laptop over here it says that, let me show you and come out of camera first. It says that Inspiron 15 and the grill over here, and that's it, and the battery, which is, you can see, is detachable in this laptop. And on the side over here you can see again a grill and the point for the LAN wire, and over here we are going to see the HDMI port and your two USB ports over here. And on the top there's nothing, but the interesting point is that over here you can see the two grills for the sounds, and on the top of that there's nothing again over here. And over here I'm able to see a port for your SD card slot and the 3.5mm jack and the port for your USB, and as DVD RAM is available with this DVD writer, and this is the port for your locking down the laptop. And beneath it we have nothing, so there's the battery which is detachable over here. So let me boot this device for you and let me show you how it looks. So that this device is booting up, let me show you what are the chipsets and what are I getting with this specification. So it's the Inspiron 15 over here, and the sticker says the HD webcam and the 15.6 of HD of display, and it's coming with the HDMI port and SDI card reader and a split resistant keyboard. So this is the normal mouse which we're getting with this device, and over here we're getting the Intel Core i3 processor. So again a good kind of a processor which we are getting with this device. So this is the overall device which looks like over from here, and so this is how the overall laptop looks in when it's displayed and is being played. And let me show you the system settings of this laptop. And if I go to the system settings, and let me zoom it a bit on the system settings. So over here it says that Intel Core i3 6066 CPU clocked at 2 GHz of processor, and this laptop is coming with the 4 GB of the RAM and the 200 GB of storage, and it says the 64-bit of operating system, and it's coming with the Windows 10. So that's all the features which this laptop is offering to us. So this is all the information about this laptop. I hope you like this video about my second review. Again I'm going to use this laptop for a couple of days, and again I'm going to show you that how this laptop is again operating and what are the limitations of this laptop. I hope you like the little bit of unboxing of this laptop, and you came to know what are the components, what are the things which we are getting with this laptop. The price range I mentioned in the comments below or in the description below. You can check that as well, and where it is available is the link is in the below description. You can buy that as well. So I hope you like this video. Please share it with your friend and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.